Hello friends, this is Joy Banerjee from AI Caddy Support. So Ubuntu 17 is been already launched and we have that. So what I've done is I've downloaded that particular package, I've created a virtual machine, and now I will show you how we can install it. Okay. So what we need to do is I've already mounted the ISO. We just need to power on this particular machine. Okay. Let me do a full screen so that you can see how the things run. So we need to select English as a language and I will select enter to install Ubuntu server. So this is Ubuntu 17, this is Ubuntu server, so which we are trying to install. So we will use the English language here, and I just want to select my country here, India, and I will hit enter. So you can just do a keyboard detect as well, but what I believe is that is not required. So I will select no and hit enter. So again, I will select the keyboard layout as English US. That is fine with me. So again, I will select English US in the keyboard layout, and then it's all detect from the CD. Okay. So this is it. The process will move on, and the installation will be really triggered on. So now you can see it is inspecting and pushing and retrieving the files from the CD-ROM which we have. So although we have mounted a ISO file, so that particular ISO is residing in this particular machine itself. So it will not take that much long to retrieve the information. Now in this particular phase, it is detecting the hardware. Okay. So you can see it is trying to attempt the IP config IP version 6, automatically configuring the network DHCP so that the IP address can be picked up. So we can give a host name as dot server dot, but we can give like Ubuntu 17 dot AIKIT support.com, and I will continue. So it is asking us to put the username. So I will put as JoyB. It is asking the full name for the username. So my name is Joy Banerjee. So I will click continue, and the username would be JoyB. So I will hit continue. And the password which I want to put here, I will be putting a generic password so that I can remember that. So in case you want to see the password which you have typed, you just need to cross check. You just need to hit this and you can see we have set it as root at the 123. So I can uncheck this and click continue. Again, I need to confirm the password. So it will be the same password which we have used, and I will use tab to toggle in and click continue. Okay, so do you want to encrypt the home directory? As of now, it is not required for us. So we'll be clicking no on this and hit enter. Okay, the time zone, it is picking up like Asia, Calcutta. That is fine. I will hit enter to yes and permit it. So now it is detecting the hardware. So what we will use is we will use like GUID, and along with we will be going to use the entire disk. Okay, and also we want to set LVM. Okay, so LVM is like logical volume manager. So I will hit enter, and you can see that it is picking up the virtual disk which we have created. It is saying that it is having 200 gig of disk size along with its virtual disk. So we can select this and hit enter. So it is now asking us, do you want to really write the changes into this particular disk and configure LVM? So you need to select, use the arrow key and select yes and hit enter. So amount of volume group of GUID partition. So we are just giving it the full size and click continue. Okay. So you can see now it is the partition tables for this particular device are changed. So it is giving us that these are the volume groups it has already created. So I will click yes and it will move on. Now it is creating all the ext4 file system on those volumes and the groups which it is created. So we can put this blank as of now and click continue. Okay, so no updates as of now, so we can select that. And I just want to, I don't want to configure anything, so as of now, we will do it manually. So I will click continue. So it is now installing the grub loader. So install grub loader in the master boot record. It is asking us, so we can select yes. So most of the stuff is done. And so we will see this whole installation process is going to finish soon. Okay, so it is asking us to just make sure we remove the CD-ROM so that it doesn't boot up again with the CD-ROM. So we can click continue. We know how to really remove it. So if you don't know, I will let you know how you can do it. So what you need to do, we need to select our machine here. This is our machine. So I will go to the settings, and in the CD I can do uncheck and I click OK. So it's automatically what it does is it will going to unmount this CD or ISO from this particular machine. So now you can see we are set. I will try to log in with my ID. Okay, and root. Can you remember the password? Yes, it's the simple password which we have entered. Okay, perfect. We have logged in. So we can do clear screen and do a host name. And now it says like Ubuntu 17. And we can do if config to see if it is picking any IP address. Now you can see it has already picked up some IP address. What I can do is apt get update. So it says that it is able to read the packet, but it will not able to revoke because we are not in a permission with roots. Okay, so we need to look like sudo apt apt get then update. Okay, so this time it is asking for the root password. Let me put that. Now you can see it is getting the information from the internet and the Lightning server of Ubuntu. Okay, so what we can do is we can also do a same command with upgrade. Okay, so it will take some time. It is asking us the permission. We will hit enter, and the process will flow. So hi everyone, this is a very entry level video for installing Ubuntu 17, and this is the latest package which we have, and we have installed Ubuntu 17. Now we will go ahead with few more videos on Ubuntu and Ubuntu 17 specifically, and we will let you know how to do it. Thank you.